Welcome to Legit Consumer. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive journey into the future with DJI's upcoming drones for 2025, featuring a deep dive into the highly anticipated Thora. This video will explore rumored innovations, breakthrough flight performance, and cutting-edge imaging technology that promise to redefine the drone experience. Whether you're a seasoned aerial photographer or a tech enthusiast eager for what's next, get ready for an in-depth look at the next generation of DJI drones. Stay tuned, and be sure to subscribe for the latest updates and expert reviews on emerging tech. Let's get started. Number 5. DJI Avata 3. The DJI Avata 3 is set to redefine the world of FPV, first-person view, drones, bringing an unparalleled immersive flying experience to both professionals and enthusiasts. As the successor to the popular DJI Avata 2, this drone is expected to feature enhanced agility, improved durability, and a more advanced camera system for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. With a lightweight yet robust design, the Avata 3 is built for high-speed maneuvers while maintaining exceptional stability, making it ideal for cinematic FPV shots, action sports, and creative aerial storytelling. One of the biggest upgrades anticipated in the DJI Avata 3 is its 4K 60 fps ultra-wide camera, featuring a larger sensor and improved low-light performance. This will allow pilots to capture stunning, detailed footage with high dynamic range, even in challenging lighting conditions. The enhanced obstacle avoidance system ensures safer flights, while a longer battery life extends flight sessions beyond previous models. Paired with next-generation DJI goggles, the Avata 3 will deliver ultra-low latency video transmission for an incredibly smooth and responsive flying experience. Additionally, manual mode improvements will provide FPV pilots with greater control and precision. Whether you're a seasoned drone racer or a filmmaker looking for dynamic aerial shots, the DJI Avata 3 promises to be the ultimate FPV drone of 20,245. Number 4. DJI Matrice 4. The DJI Matrice 4 is the latest addition to DJI's industrial drone lineup, offering cutting-edge technology for professional applications such as aerial surveying, mapping, inspection, and search and rescue missions. Built with durability and efficiency in mind, the Matrice 4 boasts a rugged, weather-resistant frame designed to withstand extreme environmental conditions, making it an ideal choice for industries that require reliable aerial data collection. Equipped with advanced AI-driven autonomous flight capabilities, this drone features obstacle avoidance, real-time object recognition, and precision navigation, allowing for safer and more efficient operations. One of the standout features of the DJI Matrice 4 is its enhanced payload capacity, supporting a variety of modular payloads, including high-resolution thermal cameras, LiDAR sensors, and multispectral imaging systems. This versatility makes it invaluable for tasks such as infrastructure inspections, agricultural analysis, and disaster response. With an extended flight time of up to 60 minutes, it surpasses many competitors, providing professionals with longer operational periods. Additionally, the Matrice 4 integrates 5G connectivity and cloud-based mission planning, enabling real-time data transfer and remote fleet management. Whether used for precision agriculture, law enforcement, or industrial inspections, the DJI Matrice 4 sets a new standard for enterprise drones, combining power, intelligence, and adaptability to meet the demands of modern aerial operations. Number 3. DJI Neo 2. The DJI Neo 2 is set to revolutionize the world of compact drones with its cutting-edge technology and powerful flight capabilities. Designed for both enthusiasts and professionals, this next-generation drone is expected to feature an upgraded camera system, extended flight time, and enhanced AI-driven flight controls, making it one of the most versatile drones in DJI's lineup. With a lightweight yet durable design, the Neo 2 is built for agility and portability, making it an ideal choice for travelers, content creators, and drone hobbyists. One of the standout features of the DJI Neo 2 is its high-resolution camera, likely capable of 4K video recording with advanced image stabilization, ensuring smooth and cinematic footage in any environment. Improved obstacle avoidance sensors and AI-powered subject tracking will provide a seamless flying experience, allowing users to focus on capturing stunning aerial shots without worrying about collisions. Additionally, the Neo 2 is expected to include longer battery life, enhanced wind resistance, and next-gen transmission technology for extended range and better connectivity. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, shooting action-packed footage, or simply enjoying the thrill of flying, the DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the best compact drones of 2024, offering a perfect balance of performance, intelligence, and ease of use. Number 2. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to set a new benchmark in the compact drone category, offering powerful performance in an ultra-lightweight design. As the anticipated successor to the DJI Mini 4 Pro, this drone is rumored to feature a larger sensor, improved flight time, and enhanced AI-driven flight modes, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists and professional aerial photographers. Despite weighing under 250 grams, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to push the boundaries of image quality, portability, and intelligent automation. One of the biggest upgrades likely coming to the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its new high-resolution camera, capable of 5.7K video recording and improved low-light performance. The inclusion of an adjustable aperture and HDR capabilities will give creators more control over exposure, enhancing dynamic range and overall image clarity. Additionally, an advanced obstacle avoidance system with 360-degree sensors is expected, improving flight safety and making autonomous tracking features more reliable. The extended battery life, rumored to exceed 40 minutes of flight time, will allow users to capture more footage on a single charge. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone pilot, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the best compact drone of 2025, blending portability, power, and intelligent features in an unbeatable package. Number 1. DJI FPV-2. The DJI FPV-2 is set to redefine the immersive drone flying experience with cutting-edge technology and upgraded performance. As the successor to the original DJI FPV, this next-generation first-person view, FPV, drone is expected to bring improved speed, enhanced durability, and a more advanced camera system, making it a top choice for both racing enthusiasts and cinematic content creators. With an aerodynamic design and better wind resistance, the FPV-2 will offer smoother flights at high speeds, while maintaining agility for precision maneuvers. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the enhanced 4K camera, likely featuring a larger sensor, higher frame rates, and improved image stabilization, allowing users to capture breathtaking cinematic footage with extreme clarity. The next-gen DJI goggles will provide ultra-low latency video transmission, ensuring an even more immersive and responsive flying experience. Additionally, the FPV-2 is expected to include an upgraded battery system, offering longer flight times compared to its predecessor, allowing for extended creative sessions. AI-assisted obstacle detection and intelligent flight modes will make flying safer and more accessible, even for beginners looking to explore the FPV world. Whether you're an adrenaline-seeking pilot or a filmmaker pushing creative boundaries, the DJI FPV-2 is shaping up to be one of the best FPV drones of 2025. Thank you for watching our deep dive into DJI's upcoming drones for 2025, featuring the highly anticipated Thora. We hope you enjoyed exploring the future of drone technology with us and that our insights have sparked your excitement for what's ahead. If you found this video informative, please hit that thumbs up and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to Legit Consumer and turn on notifications so you never miss our expert reviews and updates on the latest tech innovations. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.